Hello everyone. Namaste and salam alaikum people. Hi, this is Mariya Khan, your master teacher of biology here at Vedantu. Guys, welcome to this session. How are you all? How are you all, bacha log? Hi, Adi Kala. Hi, Same. Yes, I remember you, Same. Abhinav, Rajveer, Dad of Devil. Hello. Good evening. Good evening. ठीक है. So, chalo, let's get started. Let's get started. So today we are here to actually learn the entire chapter Heredity and Evolution in one shot. I am super excited. Welcome Bhavya to the session. Guys, this chapter is very important because the heredity part of this chapter is going to be a part of your term 2, whereas the evolution part of this chapter has been omitted, right? So we don't have that in the examination. And you forgot class 9. No, Bhavya, I did not forget class 9. Basically, you all 9th graders have now transitioned into grade 10. है ना? बड़े नहीं हुए अब तक, हो गए ना? Arvind, yes, there is a Menti. Okay, so let's get started. And what is heredity? So, bacha, the process of transfer of characteristics, the physical characters as well as mental characters from parents to the offsprings is what we call it as heredity. The process of transfer of characteristics, the process of transfer of characteristics from parents to the offsprings, parents to the offspring is known as heredity, yo. Okay, so this is amazing 1 mark definition. Okay, then significance of variation, importance of variation, so I call it as bay. Okay, so remember guys, 2 mark question, B-A-E-E, bay. Okay, bay. It helps in increasing biodiversity from unicellular to multicellular to simple to complex. We have such a diverse life around us. It helps in adaptation, है ना? Camels long eyelashes, hump at the back. Snow bears, I mean polar bears, they have a thick blubber underneath their skin. They are white to camouflage. So all these are adaptations, right? Variations eventually leads to evolution from apes to stone age to the modern man, है ना? Evolved. And it prevents extinction. Like dinosaurs and dodos, they became extinct because they failed to adapt to the changing environmental conditions around them. But uh, of course, like in the case of Indian pipe plant, if you have ever heard, okay, Indian pipe plant, it was previously green, but now it's white and it's saprotrophic. Plant okay be saprotrophic, and yes, it prevents extinction. Okay, my voice is not coming. Is it? Others, am I audible? Am I audible? And yes, there's a Menti today. Okay? हाँ बेटा, variations lead to evolution, it prevents extinction बेटा. हाँ, Adikala, you're reading it in the wrong way. हाँ, chalo. Now some important terms used in genetics. So the first term is the process of transfer of characters from parents to the offspring is known as heredity. The study of the process of transfer of characters, that is study of heredity, genes, how variations occur, everything comes under genetics. ठीक है? Then gene, the functional segment of a DNA is what we call it as gene. Genes control our characters by coding for proteins. Alternate forms of a gene are called as alleles. So capital T, small t, they both control height and they are alleles of each other. Okay. Homologous chromosomes. Chromosomes which are similar in shape, size, structure and function. Homologous. Chromosomes which are dissimilar in shape, size, structure and function, they are heterologous. So the sex chromosomes, that is X and Y, classic example of heterologous chromosomes. And the XXX chromosomes, they are the homologous pair of chromosomes in females. Okay. Then the genetic makeup is represented by means of genotype, right? Like capital R or capital R or small r small r. Now this genotype is responsible for the physical appearance, and that is what we call it as the phenotype. So capital R will make the seeds round, and small r will make the seeds wrinkled. So that's the physical appearance, right? Dominant and recessive, the alleles which express themselves even in the presence of an alternate form of a gene, they are called as dominant alleles, like tallness controlled by capital T, है ना? Then capital R responsible for round seeds. So these are dominant. And when we talk as recessive, these are the alleles which express themselves only in homozygous condition. So small r wrinkled, है ना? Small t dwarf, है ना? So these are all recessive traits. So all these terms are very very important for you all. Okay, ठीक है? Then, guys, Gregor Johann Mendel, the father of modern genetics, because he combined the knowledge of maths and science, he performed certain experiments, that is monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross, on the garden pea plant for thousands of times, and he arrived at 3 laws of inheritance. Okay, law of dominance, law of segregation of gametes, and law of independent assortment. Now these 3 laws, okay, these 3 laws, though they are not mentioned in the textbook, but they are indirectly asked in your exams. Okay, they are indirectly asked. So these 3 laws are very important, very very important. Okay, yeah. Then why Mendel chose pea plant? There are several reasons, but this reason, it possesses 7 pairs of contrasting characters. This is very important, and other reasons you may write that it has a very short life cycle, then they have bisexual flowers, so hybridization experiments were possible, the plant allows self as well as cross pollination, it reproduces in large numbers, so better for data validity. You may write everything. Homozygous and heterozygous, beta, homo means same, hetero means different. So if I talk about both the genes which are similar, similar, okay, so we call it as homozygous alleles. Okay, but here it is heterozygous. Okay, ठीक है बेटा, ठीक है, हाँ, चलो, हाँ, cool. Now Mendel saw 7 pair of contrasting characters. Which are they? Seed color, seed shape, pod color, pod shape, flower color, flower position, plant height, say plant height, yo. Seed color, seed shape, pod color, pod shape, flower color, flower position, plant height, say plant height, yo. Okay, so all the dominant traits represented with an uppercase, है ना? Flower color, color is with C. Okay, axillary A, inflated I, green G, round capital R, yellow capital Y. Recessive, or all the alphabets in the lowercase. So small t, small c, small a, small I, small g, small r, small y. Okay, ठीक है, ठीक है, Agil Kishore. So guys, if you are understanding and enjoying, like, share, subscribe, post me a yo. Okay, and what is the botanical name of pea plant, guys? What is the botanical name of pea plant? Everyone tell me. Garden pea plant is known as, garden pea plant is known as Pisum sativum. Now Adikala beta, I have already explained how axillary flowers arise, how terminal flowers arise. Go check out my previous video, there I have mentioned it in detail. Okay, yeah, Pisum sativum. Do not fail to underline the genus and the species name. Okay, Cool. Now guys, let's talk about the monohybrid cross. Now mono means one pair of contrasting character. When the two plants with contrasting characters are crossed, we get hybrid seeds, monohybrid cross. So here we took pure tall and multiplied with pure dwarf. So we got the gametes as capital T and small t respectively. And in the F1 generation, we got all the individuals which were hybrid tall. So for the F2 generation, we sketched a Punnett square wherein we obtained that three plants were tall. Only one was dwarf, right? So the phenotypic ratio, that is tall is to dwarf, is 3:1. Whereas the genotypic ratio, that is pure tall is to hybrid tall is to pure dwarf, is equals to 1:2:1, right? That's monohybrid cross for you. Now guys, when we talk about the dihybrid cross, round yellow, wrinkled green, when crossed, we got all the seeds which were hybrid round yellow. On sketching the Punnett square, we got 4 phenotypes, है ना, 4 phenotypes. Which were they? 4 phenotypes. Let's write down those 4 phenotypes. Okay. Yeah. So chalo, tell me. No, we can't write it this way. Amrita as small t followed by capital T, because we always write the dominant allele first followed by recessive. ठीक है? So dihybrid cross. Okay, so in a dihybrid cross in F2 generation, we obtained phenotypic ratio. चलो बताओ मुझे क्या था. Round yellow is to round green is to wrinkled yellow is equal to wrinkled green is equal to 9:3:3:1. Okay? हाँ. Okay. ठीक है. Amrita, that's really nice that I see you frequently in my sessions. Okay? Ma'am, shout out with saying BBS. ये क्या होता है BBS? बकवास बंद सबकी. BBS. Is it so? चलो. Okay. So now the 3 laws. Law of dominance, that in a pair of alleles one expresses itself and the other gets suppressed. So the one gets expressed, that's dominant. The one which gets suppressed, that's recessive, right? So tall being dominant, dwarf being recessive, right? Right? Then law of purity of gametes. In a pair of factors, the factors segregate, they separate at the time of gamete formation. Okay? Gamete formation. Clear? The law of independent assortment, that the inheritance of one gene is completely inheritance of the other gene. It's completely independent. Means if one is being inherited, the other's inheritance will not be affected. है ना? So that's the reason why we got 2 new traits, 2 new phenotypes when it comes to the dihybrid cross. So whenever there is a question under dihybrid cross, it's usually the law of independent assortment. Okay? ठीक है? चलो. Now sex determination बच्चा. So the sex of a child is always determined by the father. Why is it always determined by the father? Okay, so because in father's body 2 different type of gametes are produced. sperms with an X chromosome, sperms with a Y chromosome. है ना शोभन? So beta, if this sperm combines with this egg cell, a girl child is born, right? Now, if this sperm combines with this egg cell, again a girl child is born. However, if these two combine, a male child is born. If these two combine, still a male child is born. This is so thus the possibility of the birth of the male is to female child always remains 1:1. Okay, it always remains 1:1. ठीक है? Yeah. And अरे blood group determination कहाँ आ गया? Yeah, and there is blood group determination as well, where A and B are codominant and O is recessive. Okay, so beta, how many of you after your grade 10, okay, how many of you after your grade 10 are willing to remain associated with Vedantu, or you wish कि टेस्ट प्रेप ना आई हैव टू स्टडी विद वेदांतु ओनली, मतलब पढ़ूंगा तो वेदांतु से ही पढ़ूंगा और कहीं से भी नहीं पढ़ूंगा? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू रियली फील दैट वे? सो व्हाट इफ आई से दैट इफ यू एनरोल विद वेदांतु, वी गिव यू एंटायर क्लास 10 का रिविजन फ्री along with enrollment to JEE or NEET for 2 academic years, that is grade 11 and 12. 2 साल 11 12 JEE or NEET and your grade 10 का revision. So I have something to show you. Just a sec. Yeah. Okay. So can you see here? 10th revision and 2 years NEET 2024 preparation. All you 10th graders will appear for NEET in 2024. Am I correct? Anuradha, Prathamesh, Manisha, है ना? So if you really want to prepare for your NEET or maybe for your JEE, enroll here. Okay? So you choose your plan, whether light, classic or plus. Okay? So बच्चा, all interactive live classes, test series and analysis, assignments and notes, doubt solving in the class with Pro Lite subscription at rupee 59,999. Okay, you can pay in the form of an EMI which starts with as low as 3,333 per month, 3,333. 15 दिन के लिए ट्रायल ले सकते हो with 1,300 only. Try out. Okay, try out. We have amazing teachers as NEET faculty and JEE faculty. Now, if you need a doubt solving app on your mobile phone, okay, offer Pro Classic at 74,999. If you require a personal mentor, go for Classic. Okay, go for Classic. Sorry, go for Plus, Pro Plus at 1,19,999. Okay, it's very important to be an early bird bacha party so that you stay ahead of the entire batch. Okay, ma'am, please take my name and please wish me good for my pre-boards. Yes, Prathamesh Bade, all the best, all the best. And you simply try out for 15 days. That is what I'll recommend you. Okay, so ये वाला तो नहीं मैं बोलूँगी. I will say try out Pro Lite as a 15-day subscription trial. Okay, so try this out. Okay, 15-day 1,300, and with my coupon code you get additional 15 days absolutely free of cost. So for 1 month NEET batch or JEE batch at 1,300 is absolutely negligible amount, है ना? So enroll now and experience the goodness. Now bacha party, it's time for our Menti. Are you all guys ready for Menti? Ready for Menti? Ma'am, my parents asked if text will be subjective and a person corrects all the papers and test. Beta, you get all the detailed analysis. Okay, and we have both subjective as well as objective tests. Hi Venkat Reddy. So now चलो लेट्स बिगिन विद द मेंटी. ठीक है, गिव मी अ मोमेंट. Give me a moment. Okay, let me open Menti. Chalo. So here we go and let me start. Okay. Chalo. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Question number 1 to 5. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, guys. Come on. 73511370. 73511370. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Only 13 kids. I can see 24 kids in the chat and only 13 in the Menti. Come on, join in. Join in. Come on. Yes, yes, yes. I'll start on the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Up. Let's start. The tendency of offsprings to resemble their parents is termed as what? Like I have a dimple chin just like my mom. It's because of variation, resemblance, progeny or heredity. Come on. Come on. So yes, the parents resemble to their offsprings because they inherit genes because of a process known as heredity. Great. Chalo. So, Suman, Halla Mati Habibbo. Yeah. Shubham the legend. Adi, use MK Pro. नहीं बेटा, use MAK Pro, Mac Pro, MAK. Okay, use MAK Pro to become Pro. Yes, Pro. देश ने AK सर फैन. Okay, देश ने. Okay, देश ने AKR सर का फैन है. Love you, ma'am. Ma'am loves you too, बेटा. मिहिका student. It's Arvind सामे. सामे तो आज एक्शन ही कर रहा है. सामे. हेलो जी. ओके. हाँ. नो, अमृता मैंने ये नहीं गाना सुना. गाना है क्या नया? हल्ला माती हबीबो. पता नहीं. Second question flashing on your screens now. Chal. The number of characters compared in a dihybrid cross is, how many characters are compared? 1, 2, 3, 4. चलो come on. No, आज no tip tip बरसा पानी. My son is not at home, so complete silence. Complete silence. How many characters beta? Dihybrid cross. Di means two. So two pair of contrasting characters crossed. Two. Okay. हाँ हाँ चलो. Then so Suman, Deshne, Shubham, Hallamati, love you ma'am, Mihika, Arvind Sami, Adya, Chetali, Basaya. Congrats. And next. Chal. Third one. Okay. Third one flashing on your screens now. Two versions of a character which are brought in by gametes of both parents are found on copies of same chromosomes. It means homologous chromosomes. Two different chromosomes means heterologous chromosomes. Sex chromosome, any chromosome. Chalo, let me put it in a better way. Alleles are present on the same loci on a pair of Akshay Chaubey, I have already discussed some questions related to blood group. Please watch the replays, okay? I mean, bacha, alleles are present on the same loci on a pair of homologous chromosomes, similar looking chromosomes, okay? So it has to be A. Yep. ठीक है. Love you ma'am, Hallamati, Deshne, Shubham, Ananya, Suman, Prakhar, Mihika, Arvind Sami, Adya, congratulations. Prakhar, not bro, but pro. Okay, Prakhar pro. Fourth one flashing on your screens now. Dash influences the trait of an organism. Paternal DNA only, maternal DNA only, both maternal, paternal, neither paternal nor maternal. Hi, Dihybrid Enterprises. So yes, bacha Ati, it's the maternal DNA 50%, paternal DNA 50%, total 100% that influences our traits. Correct, absolutely correct. नहीं वंदना, अजान के पेपर नहीं हुए और अजान के पेपर हुए भी ना तो ऐसा मिजरेबली उसके मार्क्स आएंगे ना, गरीबों वाले मार्क्स आने वाले उसके, गरीबों वाले मतलब 20 में से 2, 4, 5 ऐसे. ओके. हाय अक्षय. So love you ma'am, Deshne, Hallamati, Ananya, Suman, Mihika, Shubham, Chetali, Adya, Basaya, you. Chalo. Here we go. And Azan is not at all scared ki how badly or how good can he score. But I am extra tense because his school teacher and principal will call me and they will bash me like anything. You call yourself a teacher? First educate your child and then go ahead and teach the nation. मतलब मुझे तो ना तगड़ा सुनाने वाले, तगड़ा. A zygote which has an X chromosome inherited from father will develop into a C. The sperm contributes to X chromosome. So then the sex of the child will be boy, girl, undetermined sex. How can it be undetermined sex, man? The XL always contains X chromosome when the father is also giving X chromosome. So congratulations, it will be a daughter born, girl child. Under abnormal conditions, when the sperm cell or the egg cell is not proper, then it can be undetermined sex. क्या मतलब क्या? चलो आगे. Hi Niranjan. Beta, if you're new student, hit on the subscribe button, okay? Ma'am, it is Undetermined in the hospital, they don't say. Deshne AK Sir fan, congratulations, my official Chintu Candy, but I should call you as my official Santa Claus for the day. So congratulations, congratulations. And guys, all ready for Menti 2? Menti 2, ready? Chalo. So here I present MAK Pro का विजय असो. हाँ, Mac Pro चा विजय असो. Yes, Mac Pro विजय असो. Mac Pro विजय असो. चलो, use the code. Niranjan, I'm not just good by my looks, but I'm also good at biology, and I really believe that you also fare well in your academics, है ना? Beauty fades, but intelligence always remains. So chase intelligence. Come on. Akshay, post your doubt in the chat panel. Come on. Prathamesh Bade is a rabbit. Bunny. Come on, guys. 24000353. 24000353. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Hi, Siddhanshu. And I'm beginning with the Menti on the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. And beta, the size of your brain and intelligence does matter. Before posting such stupid questions, na, ask those questions to your parents. They will be more than happy. कि सिर्फ हाइट में बड़ा है, अकल तो कुछ नहीं बड़ी है ना? दैवी के एंटरप्राइजेस 99, इतना बढ़ के भी तुमने क्या ही कर लिया? डोंट यू फील अशेम्ड? So 9 kids are absolutely right. And my dear kids, a purebred tall plant, that is capital T, is crossed with tall plant with round seeds, capital T, capital R, ठीक है? And dwarf plant with wrinkled seeds. So small t, small r. Okay? So F2 generation will have all the possible phenotypes, right? All the phenotypes. So tall round, tall wrinkled, dwarf round, dwarf wrinkled, all 4. Okay, cool. Riya, beta, post your doubt. I'll be happy to help you. So Deshne. Then second one is, if I win, please play Halla Mati Habibi. No beta, copyright infringement aa jayega. I can't play. Probably I can try singing, but I have never heard this song, so maybe next time. Cynthia, Hi-Fi, Mehika, Riya, Piyush. Acha, siblings I guess here. Usha, Adya, Rahul, Siddhi, congrats. And next. Second one flashing on your screens now. Answer first to get more points. What will be the phenotype of seed produced if round green seeded pea plant is crossed with wrinkled yellow seeded plant? Okay. Chalo. Of course, the plant will be hybrid. What will be the phenotype? Round yellow, round green, wrinkled yellow. Come on. Okay, Riya, connect with me over Telegram. I will be happy to help you. Okay. So yes, it will be capital R, capital Y, small y. All the seeds will be round yellow in the F1 generation. Okay, great. Then points are added. So Deshne, Hallamati, Cynthia, Mihika, Adya, Rahul, Pinky, Siddhi, you are beautiful. Thank you, Pawan. Congrats, congrats. And next. Third one. Here it goes, flashing on your screens now. Okay. A ratio of pure tall to pure short in F2 generation in a monohybrid cross will be. अरे यहाँ पे इन्होंने मेंशन ही नहीं किया फिनोटाइपिक या जीनोटाइपिक. What will you do now? Of course, it's phenotypic. Phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic. So it will be 3 tall is to 1 dwarf. कौन है वो भाई 1:3 and 1:1? It is 3 tall, 1 dwarf. Okay? Yeah. So let's see. Oh, these many kids are wrong. OMG, the game flipped. So Hallamati, Rahul, Deshne, Cynthia, Mihika, Adya, Pinky, Siddhi, beautiful, Pawan, congrats. Next. Ma'am, is there one more Menti? No, better 2 Mentis. Only 2. Only 2. Here we go. Type A blood is dominant over type O. Is it possible for a man and woman each with type A blood to have child with type O blood? Yes, if the man is heterozygous. Yes, if the woman is heterozygous. Yes, if both parents are heterozygous. No, the woman is cheating and lying about it. How? Beta, the genotype should be AO, heterozygous. So when papa will give O, mama will give O, then the genotype of the offspring will be OO and the blood group will be O. Understood? Understood? हाँ. Chalo. Next. Questions are pretty challenging, huh? Anushka says where to answer with a go to menti.com, put in the code 24000353 and then you may win. Okay, I mean then you may play and win. So Hallamati, Rahul, Cynthia, Mihika, Adya, Deshne, Kalpu, Usha, Pinky, Siddhi, congrats. Chalo. Next. Fifth. Question number 5 flashing on your screens now. How many alleles are there for human blood type? How many alleles? 1, 5, 2, 3. How many alleles are there, beta? Blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, blood group O. How many alleles are there? How many alleles are there? Boyana Venkatarao says 2. Others? Super easy, Amrita. So, beta, there are 3 alleles. A, B and O. A, AO, A. BB, B. BO, B. AB, AB. OO, O. So there are A, B and O. Okay? ठीक है? चलो. Next. So Hallamati Habibo, congratulations, congratulations. एंड क्या बात है, मुबारक आजी मुबारका, एंड यू वन हियर एंड congratulations. And now it's time for our homework question, right? है ना? अरे 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 यहाँ आओ तो. So let me give you homework question. Explain how a couple with blood group B and A respectively can have offspring with O blood group. Okay, ठीक है. Yes, हरमनजोत कौर, I am absolutely fine. चलो. So Bandhana, everyone else, do enroll in our early batches for JEE or NEET. Okay, the link has been given in the description box. Apply my coupon code, that is MACPRO, to avail 10% additional discount. Along with JEE or NEET preparation, grade 10 will be entire revision free for you. Okay, and like, share, subscribe, post me yo guys, 34 kids on the chats. Hit on the like button, कंजूसी ना करो. Let's meet in the next session. Till then, Allah Hafiz, Milo Hafiz, and keep watching Vedantu. Bye bye. Take care.